Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing um, the assignment of computer science. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of assignments in PDF and handwritten form. If you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, and we provide also the home tuition, not home classes. We provide the online tuitions for these classes. If you need classes, you can contact us on this number. We provide in an affordable fee, so you can contact. Now the question number one second of second is that arrange the following units of units a memory in ascending order of storage capacity: gigabyte, kilobyte, terabyte, megabyte, and petabyte. So if you need these answers of all the questions, not for this particular, if you need all the answers, so you can contact us. We have prepared all the answers accordingly, according to the numbers and the word limits, and you can contact anytime for this. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.